Hi, this is Florian Meyer from Stereotec, and I'd like to introduce you to our new Stereotec medium-sized rig. We built this rig completely out of carbon because we wanted to be as lightweight as possible and as stable as possible. Stability is crucial on a film set because if you move your rig from A to B, you don't want to realign your whole system only because you moved it. The other thing is, if you have it on a remote head or if you tilt up and down, you don't want to get misalignment because that is very bad and you need to fix it in post, and that costs a lot of money and takes a lot of time. We wanted to have this rig as flexible as possible. That means once you have a pretty long configuration with a longer camera and a zoom lens, then you can extend the slide to a maximum of this size. Once you have a pretty short configuration, like with SI2K or Alexa M or even the Epic, then you can move the slide to a minimum of this size, which makes the rig very, very compact. A cool feature as well is that you can mount the rig directly on a remote head. And you do it in the center of gravity. That means tilting or panning is extremely stable and you don't need counterweights on your remote head. We have an interface for the mounting here and on the other side over there. You can mount the rig in 3 different ways. Either you mount it here in a top shooter configuration, or you mount it over there for a bottom shooter configuration by turning the rig 180 degrees, or you mount it on the sides, for example in a remote head. To unmount the camera from the rig, you just unlock it and press the safety lever, and that's it. Just as you would do it on a tripod. What is essential in 3D is that the 2 images of the camera look exactly the same. We built in a special high-quality mirror that minimizes color shifts or polarization issues. We learned from our own experience as a stereoscopic team on set that 2 things are very important: to have the best quality possible and to be as quick as possible. That means we build in a lot of features that makes it very easy and quick to handle the whole rig. And this is the reason why we motorized not only interaxial and convergence, we motorized as well tilt, roll and height. As you might need to move your interaxial as well during the shot, we wanted to make sure that the rig stays all the time in balance. For that we moved both cameras and not only one. To make the handling of the rig as convenient and fast as possible, we built it in a way that you can very easily access the lens and the camera without any reinforcement rods. And it's still stable. So even if you push here, nothing moves. That is one of the most important things on a 3D rig.